This is a fit for a 2011 through 2019 and likely beyond BMW X3 with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium AeroBlade base roof rack system. This system is using the AeroBlade Load Bars in black, 47 inches in length, the Rapid Podium Foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the rubberized metal brackets and the rubber contoured base pads. This is part number KIT 4023. Here we have the bars positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.